This video is in partnership with Sugar and Jade. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. Today I'm going to be doing a Sugar and Jade unboxing. This is going to be a blind unboxing because I haven't seen any of it, so it's going to be an honest review. As you can see, I tried to open it by this bow looking way raggedy than this bow because I tried to redo the bow, but my mom caught me while I was trying to open it and she's like, no. So I was like, okay. I love clothes and you guys know that. So I'm super excited about Sugar and Jade. They're an all-new, all-inclusive tween clothing brand and their sizes range from size 8 to 22. So there's something for everyone. So let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna unbox this one first because I've already tried to. I'm super excited to see what's inside and of course I'm gonna try everything on. I'm gonna start off with this sweater right here. It is so soft. Like, this is so cute and it's so soft on and I didn't even realize it has like sparkles in it. It's making me shimmery or whatever. This is like adorable. I love it. Then we have the same sweater, but this one is in a black version. I like this one a lot because it's a simple staple piece. You can wear it with a lot of things.
I'm gonna touch you. It's so soft. What the heck? Let me touch.
But who gave you permission? Then in here we have a pleated skirt. You guys know I love pleated skirts. I love this pleated skirt so much. Look at the knees, they're kind of ashy. I love it. I love the color. I don't have this color and like I never really looked at this color, but now that I'm looking at it. But black one is cute too, but the pink one really be popping. It'd be like bubblegum. I like that.
That's cute.
Something I love about Sugar and Jade is that there is something for everybody. They're so size inclusive and they have so many different types of like styles and aesthetics, so you can really find anything that you want. It's all about embracing your truest self, so they made sure to hit the mark on all of that. So next we have these super cute jeans. I really love these jeans because they are like a light wash jeans and I don't really have many jeans in this color. Count how many times I say jeans. They're super soft. I hate stiff jeans because they be making me look like blank. Like I don't know.
Like a box.
Like a I don't know what I'm talking about. Next we have this super cute top. Yeah, this is adorable. And look at the little ruff. The little ruff
It's
in the
even
cuff.
cuter on. It was already
The little ruff in the cuff.
No, it was already cute. Now it's cuter on, definitely. Oh.
Give me a turn.
I'm gonna get you more colors. I love that.
Give me a wave.
Why are you asking me to give you the things and then you're giving them to me?
Give me a drop. Ah.
Bye.
These are blue jeans. I love the jeans. I am loving the basic color because I just like this can go with anything like this. It's already the beginning of a look. Already the beginning of a statement. So the last thing in this box is, sorry, they're connected, are these cute black boots with a little heel with a little pump. Okay, boots. You hear that clack? Yeah. Let's get a little tap dance in there. Okay, parchment.
Calm down, little lad.
Can we get a drum roll? Okay, I'm excited. Ah! Whoa! We got a lot of stuff in here. Let's go. So first thing I see on top are these pajamas. I love pajama pants.
Fun fact
so
about
much.
Jordyn. Hey, she loves pajama pants.
I do love pajama pants. I've been wanting to wear them at school, but then I'd be like, no, I can't do that. The ribbon as the bow in front. These are adorable, perfect for Christmas. This is so soft.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
No, because pause.
No, but
it's so soft.
Can I
and it says fa la 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 la.
Oh my god.
Like it's like. Then we have this snowmobile. No wait, it's a little beanie.
Why did you call it a snowmobile?
It's a snowmobile hat.
What does that mean?
You can wear it while snowmobiling.
You can wear it when you're not
You can wear it when you're...
It looks crazy because of your ponytail.
No, because look. We have another set in here. Super cute. I like the feels on this one. It's like soft and it kind of feels like this is something you could work out in.
That's
like
cute.
A little cold winter jog. Matching top.
We love a set. I love a matching set.
Something you could wear out. You can wear it in, you can wear it out, you can wear it around the town. And the last thing in this box are these super cute house slippers. I love these because the fur on them are really soft. Wear them outside because look at that. You can hear that. It's like knock knock material. What? So I like that a lot. That is everything that I got from Sugar and Jade. I loved everything in it and I'm so excited for the launch of this new brand. I feel like it's gonna make girls feel so comfortable and confident because this like material, like all of these clothes are such good quality. And there's something that every girl will like. And I don't know about you guys, but I love to shop, but sometimes when I buy something from somewhere, the quality isn't that good or I just feel like uncomfortable wearing it. And so I just never wear it. But these clothes and like this quality is so amazing and it's something that I could just keep on wearing again and again. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and thank you so much to Sugar and Jade for sponsoring this video. I love every single piece of yours is? Boy, what?
Words are hard.
Words are difficult. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you. This video is in partnership with Sugar and Jade.